Now we are going to connect this door lock with the switch, and with this connect we are interconnect this remote to the door lock. Okay, now let's see how we are going to connect. First thing, these are two pairs of door lock. This is the front side of the door and this is the back side of the door. Okay, first thing we have to connect this one. This is the first step. See, we have to connect this. Okay, this is the first thing. Okay, second thing, you have to insert the batteries. Once you insert the batteries, you will get a sound click, so that now it is in activated mode. Okay, see, you'll find a light here and you can see some sort of, okay, this one. Oh, now here this door lock can be used in 6 ways. The first way is a switch, and second way is the keys, third way is a remote, fourth way, if you slide this one, you will find a fingerprint option, and fifth one is number coding, and sixth one is to mobile app. I can show you the app for you. This is our Oxford application.